I know.
Yeah,
I'm
though.
making the
I'm about to
video.
go in. Where the light at?
From the bottom.
Turn that shit up.
Turn that up.
Cause we. Damn, I said we started from the bottom. Blowing up them choppers, chopping up the work and putting jars up in that bottles. I mean D up in that bottle. Plus I been fucking with models and I been had my chopper. Ain't catch you niggas want the problem. Rocky, ASAP, same how that 8 clap. Put 5 bullets with your head or your face at. War time, boys die, niggas can't take that. Started from the bottom, now we hit it where it's safe at. Money stacking, we getting high. Young nigga been getting fly since I was 12 by bitch strap. You pussy niggas just know why, cause if you play tough, now we here.
Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here.
Started from the bottom, now we here. Water boys, 100 proof.
We in here. From the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga started from the bottom, now we here. Here though. Started from the bottom, now my whole team.
I don't even dance, man. I'm fucking
Started from the bottom, now we here. Y'all know man, sleep, they can't get that.
There go.
I said it's time to get the people what they want.
What they want?
Man, it's time to get the people what they want.
What they want?
Going harder every day, yeah. Every month, I'm trying to get these people what they want.
What they want?
Going harder every day, and it's progress every month. I said this rap shit, I got it on lock. And I was chillin', but I always had that Glock on my block. If you come through your ass, you get shot.
Bang!
No game, Tyler will get you rock. I said we all be on that block. 2, 3, OX, and my boys so blocks, and you know we be strapped with the pound. Come around and I bet my brother Ryan lay you down. Said I never been the type to do the talking. I run down on you niggas like that llama get the spark, and then them homicide boys get the talk. Hey, started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga started from the bottom, now we here. We here now. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here.
Started from the bottom, now look at a nigga. Bitches used to feed me, now they begging me to hit them. I don't want the number, let the bitch got a sister for Ryan, the cousin for Mary. My niggas gon' dick 'em, we ain't loving, we ain't cuffing, we ain't kissing. Tell that shorty switch around, take that position. Tell her bend that thing back and I'ma hit it. Never cuffing, never loving, I don't lick it. All my niggas like something.
I know you feel that. They say, Mary, damn, that beat you killed that. I said, we don't like to do too much explaining. And we gon' do this rap shit until we famous. No new niggas, no, we don't feel that.
What boys?
Boys around here, yeah, you know we kill scraps. Said, we don't like to do too much explaining. Don't be signing those statements with my name, man.
Yup. Cause we started from the bottom. Started with a handgun and now I got a chopper. Talking all that killer shit, you just might need a doctor.